We are in very stylish Nihonbashi because I have to try the newest Frappuccino for Valentine's Day. Imagine they already have it out. And yes, this time I really want to show you also the city around because some of the viewers are really happy about seeing Tokyo. So Nihonbashi is quite an ancient part of Tokyo and also very modern, really expensive, as you can get the feel with all these department stores here, the most luxurious ones. Cute, wonderful colors. A small shrine here, Shinto shrine, and then this decor here with these lamps. Let me zoom in. They are so Japanesey, elegant, pretty. See, they look like paper lanterns. Even though we are so metropolitan, see, there is a small park here where children can scream and have fun. So actually Tokyo has a lot of green and does not have smog like other famous cities do. There are such really stylish cafes. We wouldn't need to go to Starbucks actually, but it's here. Ja ja! The Valentine Day chocolate with almond praline frappuccino. And there is also the hot latte version with white chocolate. But we going for this. See the hearts. The hearts. Yay! We got to try some coffee. What taste is this? Cascarona! Yay! Lucky! I actually love it. Almond. Yes! Chocolate with almond praline. Try the new frappuccino, the one for Valentine's Day. Okay. So let's get one. Wow. There's a lot of happy Valentine. This one, see, it was released just a few days ago. Yay! Here he is. Look at this, they even have here a place where you're supposed to take photo of your frappuccino. Cool. It has a light spot, see, light spot on it. Here a lot of nuts on top. Almond praline on top and a lot of cream, and then here hearts, chocolate. Yeah, it worked. I finally managed to get a shot. Isn't this a great angle? See, we have the Happy Valentine there, although it's January 18th or 19th. But yeah, see, this is a new one, so we are going to try it out. And look at my nails. Perfect just for today. Okay, this is really a weird place to drink my drink. But look at this. Okay, look at the colors. Look at the color of my shirt is exactly this pink, and the yellow of the hair, it's like we are made for this poster, and this is not on purpose. I actually had a date with a girlfriend and I was wearing this stuff just for fun. So now I'm happy that we match colors, and I'm happy that this thing tastes actually really nice. Very rich cocoa flavor, and yes, it has almond inside, so I am chewing and chewing on nuts. There's a lot of that almond praline and rich chocolate cocoa flavor. Then there is the ice cream part, that this time is not the milk ice cream, it has also chocolate cocoa flavor. And the whipped cream at the top that I didn't yet try. I don't know if it's the rich one or the diluted whipped cream. Let's see. Okay, let me try to get whipped cream. Okay, not so rich. So it's again the diluted version of whipped cream, which is okay with me since it's less calories. But look how beautiful the city is around me. Really pretty now before it gets dark. And there are many such coffee shops where they roast their own coffee, and so probably kind of cooler than Starbucks. And since it's cold winter, it's a little bit hard to finish this thing so easy because it keeps frozen. There is really a lot to chew, which I suppose it makes it good value. Like, the more nuts there are inside, the better price and drink cost relation. It's called praline, so maybe not everything is nut, but maybe some cookie crumbles possible. So I have to chew a lot, plus it's really cold, so drinking something cold in cold is not so pleasant. But the richness of the cocoa makes it, you know, gives you the feel that okay, it gives me energy. Very cool. Street lamps and yeah, everything here. All these motifs on the walls are traditional Japanese shapes that you will find on kimonos and in architecture. And yes, this is wonderful Nihonbashi, stylish, cool city. Actually, this here is the Nihonbashi, the bridge, the famous bridge, ancient bridge. So let's take a close-up look at the bridge. There are some cool dragons, that's why. And say goodbye to my cup. This is it. Nihonbashi, 17th century canal bridge. See? Not so big, nothing like in Paris, but still we have a dragon. We have a scary dragon here and one on the other side. Okay, let's see them in close. Look at this, there's even a kitty cat here. Not kitty kitty. Kitty kitty. And so even though it is nothing compared to Paris and their beautiful bridges, it's still cute. And yes, loads of expensive department stores, like really big luxury all over here in this commercial quarter. Still sparkling, and yes, this is how you write Nihonbashi, Japan Bridge. the bridge that we've been on with the dragons and the kitty cat. Still very sparkling. Nihonbashi. And guess what? We even have an Easter egg. Isn't this pretty? Wonderful. Valentine, Easter, Christmas is still going on. Isn't Japan the most wonderful country in the world? A Mirrorbowler by this artist. It was not an Easter egg, however I'm declaring it an Easter egg nevertheless. Super pretty. Look at all these colors, and especially my HUAWEI being able to render all these colors in this darkness. Wow. Yeah, Takashimaya, another extremely luxurious and expensive department store brand of Japan. And with more glitter. Look how civilized. Umbrellas. Free to take. You have here a code and you can return them. Awesomeness, civilized city. Wow.